And Brent Cameron is over in the Weather Center to give us a little more information on where the storm is and what we can expect in the next 24 hours or so. Brent?
So good evening, everyone. Belkis and Craig, we did get another advisory, the intermediate advisory at 7 o'clock. And the next full advisory will be coming our way at 10 o'clock. And that will even tell us a lot more. What we know so far, early today when we woke up, this number, the actual maximum sustained winds was right around 40 miles per hour. It was just a minimal tropical storm, and since then it has garnered some more energy up to 65, still moving along at a fairly quick pace, 14 miles per hour, still getting very close to Cuba. Earlier today kind of started out around the Cayman Islands. Now, most of the energy associated with it, the thunderstorm activity, has been to the north of the circulation. It isn't a symmetrical type tropical system, and with that, a lot of the storm energy is going to be coming a little bit earlier than the actual center arrives. There's a look at the satellite, and now we go to find out exactly where the rain has been coming in. The rain cuts off here, so there is rain south of Cuba, but notice today we have been dealing with on and off downpours back from Florida into the Bahamas, and there is more of that to come. We may see in the Miami metro area over 10 inches of rain, and across South Florida, generally speaking, about 6 to 10 inches of rain, depending on the track, which goes something like this. Here's a look at the latest and official forecast going from the National Hurricane Center. Now, the thinking is this is going to stay just under hurricane strength, but awfully close to becoming a hurricane. 1 o'clock on Monday morning, up around 70-mile-per-hour winds somewhere in the vicinity of the Straits, maybe close to Andros or getting closer to the Keys and South Florida. Here's a closer look, and the main impact, at least with the center of circulation, expected to be in this cone somewhere around daybreak on Monday. So don't wait until Monday perhaps to take care of any plans, because, or at least bringing in maybe some furniture, anything that can turn into a projectile because of the upcoming winds, because some of those will begin actually on Sunday. Here's a look in yellow at where we do have an advisory for hurricane watches. It includes all of Miami-Dade County and coastal Broward to Deerfield Beach, and all of the area under a tropical storm warning, meaning winds of 39 to 73 expected going into Sunday and early Monday as we track the system. Here's a look at kind of a breakdown from Broward into Miami-Dade and the Keys. What we're all going to find in common is that the rain impact is going to be pretty significant, anywhere from about 8 inches or more, quite possible across portions of mainland South Florida. We'll have the gusty winds, or at least that potential. And notice here the tornado threat that could start up as early as tomorrow evening and overnight, especially from Miami-Dade into the Keys as we continue to watch the system. Finally, here's a look at the radar sweep, and notice there is some breaks in the activity, but going back toward the Atlantic where this is coming from, a few more bands of heavy rain, very strong downpours still possible tonight, creeping up into the Keys and just about anywhere across South Florida, moving east to west with this activity. It's only going to get a little more significant and pronounced going into the next day or two. We'll have more coming up on this as we track Tropical Storm Ada tonight and beyond.
All right, Brent, we'll see you then.